Good morning, S4, and welcome to this assembly. I want to start this morning by telling you a little story about someone called Bethany Hamilton. No, she's not a relative of mine. In fact, Bethany is an American professional surfer. And at the age of 13, she lost her arm and 60% of the blood in her body when she was attacked by a shark. But despite the trauma of the accident and the fear of getting back into the water, she returned to surfing just 1 month after the attack. And she soon started competing again, and she went on to win numerous surfing championships. Bethany is a great example of someone with a growth mindset. It would have been very easy for her to give up after her accident, sit around feeling sorry for herself, but she didn't. She worked hard, she put extra effort into her training, and she learned new ways of surfing with just one arm. She persevered and she never gave up trying. The reason that I'm telling this story today is that I realise that many of you have experienced setbacks and challenges in your life, and something that we've all got in common is the challenge of COVID-19. There's no doubt that that has affected your schooling. You've experienced 2 lockdowns with home learning. However, you can't sit back feeling sorry for yourself, and you certainly can't make COVID the excuse for you not doing well in school. The SQA have modified courses for this session to compensate for disruptions to learning due to COVID. But the exams are due to still go ahead in April and May, and we as a school have got prelims planned for January. So how do you ensure that the results of these assessments are going to be a true reflection of you and your true ability? Well, the best way forward is to stop thinking about things that are out of your control and instead concentrate on what you can control. And the only true thing that you can control is you. You can control your thinking, you can control your attitude, your actions and your behaviour, and you can control your use of language. You're responsible for how successful you will be. And everyone can achieve to a very high standard as long as they're willing to put in hard work and effort. You will achieve great results this year in school if you're working hard and putting in the effort. Perseverance, a positive mindset, and a supportive community is all you need to be successful. And we, as a school, are your supportive community. Your teachers all want the very best for you. Your teachers here always have and always will go above and beyond to do whatever they can to help you succeed. But they can't do the hard work for you. That is down to you. So you need to work with your teachers. And as I said earlier, you're in control of your actions and your behaviour. So you need to come to classes ready to learn. You need to arrive on time. You need to remove your non-school uniform tops. You need to stay off your mobile phones. And you need to want to learn. Your attitude is also something you're in control of. So you need to show a positive attitude. You need to listen to your teachers. Soak up all the knowledge and skills that they're passing on and make the very best use of every lesson, working to the best of your ability. I also said you're in control of your language, and this is important. Please try to use language that's positive and encouraging, rather than language that would perhaps upset and put others down. Also, be positive about yourself, that's important. Also, please use appropriate language in school, because I'm hearing that there's quite a few S4s in particular that are using language that's really not appropriate for in school. You guys are much better than that, so please do be more respectful. So to summarise this assembly, you need to be responsible for your own learning. So please try to be the very best version of yourself at all times. And I'm going to finish off by relating back to Bethany and a surfing quote. So the quote is, "You can't stop the waves from coming, but you can learn to surf them." So we will all have challenges that we need to overcome, but you can overcome them. And it's with hard work and effort you will be successful. Thank you.